The Hennepin County Attorney's Office is changing its policy when someone spits on a law enforcement officer. Under the new policy, anyone accused of spitting on an officer's uniform or boots will not be prosecuted for a felony. New at 5, Esme Murphy reports on the change and the pushback.
It's in Minnesota law. Anyone who intentionally throws or otherwise transfers bodily fluids or feces at or onto the officer is guilty of a felony. Hennepin County, though, is now only prosecuting felony cases when a person spits on an officer's hands or face. Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman told me, "We think the harm caused by spitting on the boot or uniform does not rise to the level of spitting on the face or hands." Freeman also cited the full workload his office has, saying, "We have a full deck." Now, this does not automatically mean that the cases rejected by the Hennepin County Attorney's Office will automatically go to the Minneapolis City Attorney's Office. A city spokesperson told us spitting on a police officer is a felony, and their office doesn't handle felonies. The change in policy prompted this statement from the Minnesota Police and Peace Officers Association. Quote, "It's ridiculous the Hennepin County Attorney's Office will not uphold state law and not prosecute felony-level assault. Just as violent crimes in our communities are increasing, physical assaults on law enforcement officers are also increasing. This decision is also bizarre and reckless considering the global pandemic." We brought this issue to law professor David Schultz.
Police officers here are upset. Can a prosecutor basically decide what he wants to prosecute or not?
Yes, he can. Prosecutors have incredibly broad discretion to not only prosecute or not prosecute, but based upon how they view the evidence, perhaps what type of charges to bring.
Esme Murphy, WCCO 4 News.
Esme also checked with Ramsey County. They told us when the facts of the case support it, they will charge spitting at an officer as a felony assault.